Hi, did you know that Fette Compacting offers various feeder paddle configurations based on product characteristics? Please enjoy our short video.
The feeder by Fette Compacting offers several paddle configurations which are used in certain pharmaceutical products of today's market. The feeder paddles are made of brass which have 12 equally separated flat fingers with certain design curves. These paddles can be interchanged with our wire paddle option, which are easily removed to fit and for transfer. These paddles also utilize a special tool for removing for ease of use. And for more information, please check out our website.
Fette Compacting. Be efficient.